Hello everyone, Thamizharasu here, your business coach. Today, I am going to deep dive into a topic that is crucial for everyone in this digital age, regardless of profession or industry: personal branding. If you are striving to make a mark in your field, you need to understand and leverage the power of personal branding. So, let's get started. 1. Understanding the concept of personal branding. Personal branding, in simple terms, is the process of creating a recognizable professional name and reputation for yourself. Like a company's brand, your personal brand is a direct reflection of who you are, your values, skills, passions, and beliefs. It's what you represent. It's how you make people feel when they interact with you. 2. The importance of personal branding in today's digital world. In this digital era, personal branding has become more important than ever. Why? Because personal branding is how we present ourselves to others. It's our first impression. It's how people perceive and remember us. It's what differentiates us from the crowd. It tells people what they can expect from us, and why they should choose us. 3. Key elements of an effective personal brand. The key elements of an effective personal brand include authenticity, consistency, visibility, uniqueness, and credibility. Authenticity is being true to who you are. Consistency is about delivering your brand promise every time. Visibility means being seen and heard consistently. Uniqueness is what sets you apart. And credibility is about being trustworthy and reliable. 4. Steps to identify your unique personal brand. To identify your unique personal brand, you need to know what your values are, what your passions are, what your strengths and weaknesses are, what your goals are, and what your personal style. Once you have identified these, you can start building your personal brand around them. 5. Building a personal brand, a comprehensive guide. Building a personal brand is a journey, not a destination. It involves defining your brand, positioning your brand, promoting your brand, and maintaining your brand. It requires commitment, consistency, and creativity. It's about telling your story, showcasing your expertise, and adding value to others. 6. Strategies to enhance your personal brand online. Strategies to enhance your personal brand online include optimizing your online presence, creating and sharing valuable content, engaging with your audience, building a strong network, and managing your online reputation. 7. Leveraging social media for personal branding. Social media is a powerful tool for personal branding. It allows you to reach a large audience, engage with them, share your insights, and build your reputation. But remember, it's not just about quantity, but quality. It's about being authentic, being consistent, and being valuable. 8. Common mistakes to avoid in personal branding. Common mistakes to avoid in personal branding include not having a clear brand message, not being consistent, not being active and visible, not engaging with your audience, and not monitoring your online reputation. 9. Case studies, successful personal branding examples. Gary Vaynerchuk, also known as Gary V, is one of the most recognizable personal brands in the world of entrepreneurship and digital marketing. He started his journey by taking over his family's wine business and grew it from a $3 million venture to a whopping $60 million business using innovative digital marketing strategies. For another example, Marie Forleo is a successful entrepreneur, writer, and online coach with a powerful personal brand. She is the creator of Marie TV and B School and has a strong presence on social media. Niche focus. Marie has carved out a specific niche for herself, empowering entrepreneurs and creatives. This clear focus has helped her build a loyal follower base. Positivity and energy. Marie's brand is characterized by her positivity, high energy, and her ability to make complex topics easy to understand. Engagement. Marie actively engages with her audience through social media, email newsletters, and her website. She responds to comments and questions, fostering a sense of community among her followers. 10. Measuring the impact of your personal branding efforts. Measuring the impact of your personal branding efforts is crucial. It helps you understand what's working and what's not. You can measure the impact by looking at your online engagement, your network growth, your brand awareness, website analytics, social media metrics, feedback and reviews, and your professional opportunities. Remember, personal branding is not about being famous, it's about being selectively famous. It's about being known for what you're good at and what you stand for. And with that, we've come to the end of today's session. I hope you found it informative and enlightening. If so, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such insightful sessions. Until next time, this is Thamizharasu, your business coach, signing off.